Hello student, from this website of Lab Alive, this is the link. From here you will get the FM link, FM modulation link. Okay, so I can copy it and send to your madam. This is the link for FM. Okay, FM modulation. Now from this launch button, yellow launch button, you could download the Java program file. This is FM. I already downloaded over here in my PC. You should also at your PC. Then when you open this file, you will get this modulation. Okay, this is the FM modulation. From here empty, you could set your input frequency. This is your signal generator properties, where I have set 1 kilohertz as a message signal, and amplitude of this message is 1.6 volt, and output is on, and waveform type is sine. Okay, waveform type you have to select sine. Then this is the carrier properties. When you click on there, at this square box, you will get this FM modulator properties, where you can set the modulation constant. It is already set in my PC 1 volt 1 kilohertz per volt. Okay, and carrier frequency I choose 10 kilohertz. Carrier amplitude is 1 volt. Okay, then this spectrum analyzer and oscilloscope will open as well one by one, and this is the properties for oscilloscope output. You can see we can draw a continuous waveform, where we can find our frequency is continuously changing upon the carrier with the modulating frequency of 1 kilohertz. So our carrier is 10 kilohertz here, and modulation frequency is 1 kilohertz here. So definitely we can get a f min and f max. Accordingly, f max will be our 11 kilohertz, and f min will be 9 kilohertz. So look at the bottom at the spectrum analyzer, where we can find our center frequency, that is carrier. Carrier is 10 kilohertz as well, but here our upper sideband at 11 kilohertz, which is the higher gain than the carrier. That is why we can get this modulation. The modulation factor here 1 kilohertz per volt. Okay, and this is the transmitted signal properties at the spectrum analyzer settings. Here our spectrum analyzer settings. We can we set the bandwidth of 0.1 kilohertz, and frequency division is 1 kilohertz, so we can get the appropriate scaling of frequency scaling at the spectrum analyzer window. So as then if we reduce our amplitude, we can you can see our sideband amplitude gain has been reduced accordingly thoroughly, and where our carrier frequency amplitude is getting amplified. Okay, now we can see very little deviation, frequency deviation is visible. So from here you will get the modulation factor for this frequency modulation, how much deviation is there. If you change the modulation frequency you can get a very distinct frequency deviation. Okay, so but still here your carrier amplitude is high and sideband frequencies are low. But when you increase your modulation constant, then only the carrier will be suppressed here for FM also, and your output is dominating by your modulation frequency only. So this is the demonstration of FM transmission you could do in your PC by downloading these FM Java files from this website. From this website here, this launch button, and run with the existing setup of Java setups and iCited web plugins. Okay, so if you have any problem, ask your teacher in the group. I will get touch with you. Right now I have some network problem, so that is why I am accidentally out from Google Meets. Thank you very much.